Okay, I have just made the basic frame for the door on the back of the camper, and this just kind of gives you an idea of what I'm thinking here. What I've done is taken some of the best fur that I could find, and now of course that piece up there is pine, but the rest is made of fur. Fur has characteristics of remaining pretty stable and straight. I've also cut an edge, or cut a little groove, or dado if you will, in the end of the fur, and I've installed this little strip of door insulation, and it looks like this. So that's the edge profile, and I think it's going to be pretty good. What I'm going to do, you can see how well it closes. See if I can get you a good view of that. That's nice and tight there. And then what I'll do is I'll skin the exterior door, or skin this door with some 3/8 inch plywood. Then I'll put the 1 inch insulation, or 3/4 inch insulation, which is these boards are 3/4 of an inch, and then I'll line it with the cedar, like what I've done on the inside. The only thing is I need a little bit more piano hinge. This is a 4-foot piano hinge, and looks like I need about another 18 inches or so to add to it. So I'm going to put that on hold for right now, and I'm going to start installing the roof, or the ceiling cedar boards that you see there. But pretty much coming together. Looking pretty good too. Alright guys, I have now got the ceiling in, and I hope the camera's able to pick that up, but it looks very good. There's the wall, there's the ceiling. It's all cedar, V-groove cedar. Simple process, just very repetitive. All you do is cut your cedar closet, I guess this is a closet lining, what that's called. Cut it to length. Leave yourself about 1/4 of an inch, be about 1/8 of an inch on each side. All you do is tack it in with your brad nailer, and then about every 10 inches or so I added these oak, this is red oak stringers, and they add significant rigidity to the ceiling. I'm spanning 5'8" inches, so anyway, they look really good. Everything's, didn't have any problems. Just took me all day to do this. It's just quite repetitive. I put glue on every joint. So once all that glue hardens, it's going to be nice and strong. It'll be like a one piece. So anyway, that's as far as I've got on the camper this far. And there's the front wall there. And there's the driver's wall. Alright. Hey, I hope some of this gives you some ideas, and thanks for watching.